Hello and welcome. My name is Jared Briggs with My Life Financial. Thank you for the opportunity that I've had to work with all of you with your Medicare. This video here is going to share a little tool that we're going to be using in this open enrollment time since there's a lot of changes coming to Medicare for 2026, especially in the state of Wyoming. But a lot of states, pretty much all states across the United States have been affected. So we just want to be efficient and help you guys. So this tool right here is called Blaze Sync. So to make this process faster and easier, we are using a program called Blaze Sync. Sync allows us to collect your information safely and securely before your appointment. And I really wanted to emphasize that because we've taken a lot of pride in working with you guys over the last few years with your insurance. We try to always stay compliant so that we're not getting in trouble and making sure that your information is safe and secure. And this system follows those guidelines with our CRM and our phone system and everything else that it uses. So how it's going to work is through a text message or an email, you're going to get a link to Blaze Sync. You can also access it in this YouTube video down in the show notes if you haven't gotten the text or email, or you can also give us a call or send us a text at 435-557-3170. And Jane in the office or me or Austin, any of our team members will make sure you get that content or that link so that we can start this process. So you're going to click on the link and then you're going to follow the simple instructions that we're going to explain here real quick. All right, when you click the link from the Blaze Sync that we send you guys either in text, email, or if you find it on our YouTube channel or you ask for us, this is what it should look like. I may update my photo. So if you see a little bit different photo, but that's okay. It should say, "Hi, I'm Jared Briggs." So that is with me here and with My Life Financial. I'm going to just share right here, this phone number up here at the top, the 307-417-4971. It says to call that number if you have questions. You can call that number. It's kind of confusing, but we have our CRM system that is our text updates. If you guys get texts from us, we're sending that out to everybody. But if you call that number, it also rings to our office phone number. So Jane in the office, Austin, myself, any of us will still answer it. So, and you can text this number as well, and it goes into our CRM texting service. So you can use this number or the 435-557-3170. It's confusing, but that's just how it works. So if you have questions, let us know. Okay, so you're going to click right here, Start Medicare Guide. Then you're going to type in, so we're just going to say John Doe, for an example. Let's say his birthday is May 15th, 1957. And then email, I'll just put my email right here. So Jared at mylifefinancial.io. Phone number, it's not required. We should have your phone number, but if we don't put it in there, you don't have to though. Save and continue. Okay, address. It does require a zip code. So if I live right here in Evanston, Wyoming, 82930, it wouldn't hurt you guys if you put your address in there, especially maybe if you guys have moved or changed addresses, then we can just verify to make sure we have the correct address. So I could even put the office address, 849 Front Street, Suite 102, Evanston, Wyoming, 82930, and it's Renner County. All right, so if you can, please put your address in there and make sure we have the correct one. We've actually had clients' policy canceled because they didn't have the correct address and they were trying to get a letter. Doctors, if you do have a primary care doctor, add them in here. I'm going to skip this for now, but you can change within the 25, 5, 50, 100-mile radius. Put your doctors in here. It's not 100% important this coming year because of the changes that are happening, but you can put it in there if you would absolutely like to. This is what we really do need. And this is the whole reason for this video is this medications list right here. So you'll see that you only have to start with the 4 letters of your medication. So let's say lisinopril. It's if you take the HCl or if you don't take the HCl. So let's say you do, and then you come right here, and then let's say it's the 20-12.5. I don't know why that thing keeps popping up. Save medication. Okay. So every 30 months. Atorvastatin is another common one. Okay, so let's say you take 2 of these a day. So you say, hey, I get 60 every month, save the medication. What's in the medication name? Um, Omeprazole. There we go. Omeprazole. So it's right there. Hit select. Okay, that looks correct. Save it. This is going to save. Then you hit save and continue. There you go. Is there a pharmacy you use to fill prescriptions? You can say yes. Let's say we use City Drug here in Evanston. Now you're going to see this right here. This is for long-term care. So if you are receiving long-term care benefits from the pharmacy, use this one, but use the City Drug. They've got City Drug of Greater Valley, and they've got all kinds of other ones. Okay, so we're just going to say City Drug, save and continue. Start a scope of appointment. So this allows us to discuss your plan needs and your options for enrollment. It also lets us know what plans we can discuss when we set up a time to talk. So start scope of appointment. Please select on here standalone Medicare prescription drug plans, Medicare Advantage plans, and Medicare supplement plans. Those are going to be the three things that we are going to be talking about. Then you come down here, I am signing for myself. Type your name again, John Doe. It's going to have the signature date, the appointment date, date of appointment. It has to be, we have to have this within 48 hours. It's just a crazy rule. We have to keep this for 10 years, all of these things. So we follow it the best we can, but sometimes people just need to get stuff done, so we get it done. Okay, so then you come down here, sign and complete, and it has been completed. This has been sent to us in our office. We can go in and grab it, and then we can do some research before you even come in. We can look at prescription drug plans, your prescriptions. We can talk to the pharmacist if we need to. We can do anything to make sure we're prepped for your appointment. We can have Medicare plans looked up, prescription drug plans, and be ready for the appointment. So that is the whole goal of this. So if you have any questions, please let us know. We will have some of our staff members available. If this is a little difficult for you, we can do it for you. But this is completely for us to help make this easier.